what we discussed in our previous classes?
About combustion.
Very good. Stand up and say.
About combustion.
About combustion. What is combustion?
Combustion is a process which mixing and burns in the presence of air.
Very good. Combustion is a chemical process in which a object
Burns.
burns
In the presence of air.
air.
O2.
O2. Very good. What will happen if the O2 is over?
The flame will be stopped, sir.
Yeah, because O2 is very necessary for an object to burn.
Yes, sir.
Nitrogen is not required. O2 is the main thing. Okay? And what else we discussed?
About
Previous classes. Yeah, we discussed about different types of fuels and what is combustion. And can anybody say what are the different types of combustion? Different types of combustion.
One thing it burns and another the time to burn it will not burn.
Very good. There are two types of combustion. One type.
Which will get instantly burn.
Very good. What is that called as? Instant burning.
Instant burning flame.
Combustion. There are two types of combustion. Open your notes. Open your notes and see. I told you already. One is spontaneous. Other one, rapid combustion. Okay, note down. We discussed two types of combustion: spontaneous combustion and rapid combustion. Spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous combustion.
It will take time.
Sir,
No.
already we written.
Spontaneous.
We
I
already.
already told you, right?
Yes, sir. 2 and 2 euro.
Very good.
You give homework.
What is spontaneous combustion then?
The type of composition in which material burns turns into flame without any external agent.
Very good. Without any external.
External agent involvement.
Very good. Without any external agent involvement. That is called as spontaneous combustion.
Rapid.
Did I tell you any example for spontaneous combustion?
Sodium.
Hmm?
Sodium.
Sodium. Very good.
Plastic.
So you are not writing notes.
Oil seeds. Oil seeds products.
Very good. This is spontaneous combustion. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you say now what is spontaneous combustion? Should I help you? Okay, spontaneous combustion is a combustion in which a object burns without any external agent involvement. Do you want to know any example for that? Okay, if you take sodium, out of that, where sodium is stored? Sodium is stored in water, not water. It is stored in organic liquids such as petrol, kerosene and all. Not mercury. No. It is there in. So spontaneous combustion example is sodium. If you take out sodium, it will start burning instantly. Just reacting with oxygen, environmental oxygen. That is spontaneous reaction. And what about rapid combustion?
Which are hand of an external agent.
Wait, stand up.
Get burns with the help of an external agent.
Very good. Here we need an external agent. That means,
Matchstick.
yeah, very good. Matchstick.
Like
In matchstick, what we are doing?
you have to apply the force from the matchstick
We
and
should apply some friction between
matchstick and
matchstick and the matchbox. Then only it will catch fire. Clear?
Yes, sir.
These are types of combustion. And what about those objects that cannot burn, that cannot catch fire? What are those called as?
non-combustible objects.
Very good. Non-combustible
Objects.
objects. Okay, fine. Okay, let's come back to our yeah. On flow we can't do because a type of chemical will be there on that side of my box. Okay, sit down. Very good. What's your name? Gurumani. Very good. Okay, the objects that cannot catch fire are called as non-combustible. And okay, why do we burn an object? Why do we burn something?
Sir, for getting another thing from that thing.
Very good. Why? Why do we burn? For
Energy.
Gurumani is saying for energy. What energy we will get? If we burn, will we get energy?
Yes, sir. Heat energy. Heat energy,
Yeah,
sir.
very good. We will get
Heat energy.
heat energy and yeah, heat energy can be converted into mechanical energy. Very good. And what else we get if you burn something?
Ash.
Why do you burn candle?
Because to
When
get the
there is
light,
no
light.
Very good.
Light.
It gives
Light
light
energy.
also. Very good. Okay. So the important thing is it gives energy in the form of
Heat and light.
light. Okay. Do all substances give equal amount of energy?
No, sir. No.
No.
No, sir.
How can we say that?
Sir, because each substance is made up of another
Very good.
substance.
Standard.
So
Each substance
is made
is
up
composed of different
of materials.
material. Very good. See, there are many combustible materials. Okay, just tell some examples.
Paper,
Very good. Paper.
wood, plywood, glass,
Very good. Wood. Huh? Cloth. Very good.
Dry leaves. Dry leaves.
Dry leaves. And yeah, even candles can be burned. Fine. Okay, these are different substances. Okay, if we take same amount of a wood piece, we are taking this much wood piece, and we are taking these many leaves. We are taking a bucket and we are filling it in with leaves. Will both burn for the same amount of time,
No,
no,
sir.
sir.
which will be over within some time?
Dry leaves.
Huh? We are taking only leaves and
Sir, dry
Leaves, sir. Leaves.
Dry leaves.
yeah, dry
Leaves,
leaves
sir.
only, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Because they catch fire immediately.
leaves get turned into ashes very soon. So on which you will rely on for cooking? Will you prefer leaves or wood?
Wood, sir.
Wood, why?
Because it takes time, sir.
Because cooking
takes
is not just 5 minutes process.
It takes time,
It
It
sir.
takes time. So based on that, we prefer
Wood.
different substances.
Substances.
That means food which can burn for so long. Okay. Why burning? What is it giving us?
Heat,
Heat
energy.
and light. Fine. Can we measure that energy?
No, sir.
We can.
I think we can.
Okay. Fine. Have you heard of the term calorie?
Yes, sir.
What is a calorie?
In our body, it will be present, sir.
In our body it will be present. What is it?
Sir, by doing some work, we can. There are so many hospitals. By doing some work, we can burn our calories.
some say by doing some work we can burn our calories, we can use our calories, we can spend our calories.
Sir, energy is converted to
So what can be a calorie?
energy
It is-
is spent. Energy is spent.
Very good. Calorie is amount of energy we spend. Not exactly the amount of energy we spend. This is just a unit. Unit to calculate it. See, for everything we do, we try to maintain a measurement. If we take some water, we will count it in
Calories.
liters.
And yes.
If we take something like this solid,
Kilos.
we use kilos. In the same way, we are trying to measure energy also. So the unit we are using is calorie.
Calorie.
Unit for
Energy is calories.
amount of
Energy.
unit for amount of energy. Okay. So let's know more about calorie. Okay, I'll ask you simple questions. Which contains, okay, I will take equal amount of a bucket of leaves. Okay, these are leaves. Just assume it as leaves. And same amount of wood.
Wood.
This is wood piece. What do you think? Which will have more calories? Which can give out more calories?
Wood. Wood, sir.
Very good. Because it burns for more time and it gives more light and more heat. So, how about the same amount of some
Coal.
okay, we'll take 4. 4. Which one do you think? Which one will be?
Coal.
Coal.
Very good, coal. Because it will maintain, it will sustain
So much
that hotness for more time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open your textbook.
Sir, wood is one minute.
Sir, page number. Someday wood will also start.
Page number 1 or 2. Yeah, even after burning this, this will also turn into 4 only.
Page number 1 or 2, sir.
Yeah. Okay, this is the page number in old textbook. In new textbook,
116. 16.
116. Huh? 116.
Old textbook. New 160.
Okay, in case of humans, we'll say calorie. What will we say in case of direct heat? I mean, what do we say in heat form? We say calorific value. Calorific value. I don't know, I'll get to know it. Calorific value, write down. No, don't write table. Write the definition for that. Calorific value.
We said, sir.
Huh?
You tell.
Okay. Amount of heat energy produced on
Combustion of 1 kg
complete
of
combustion.
on
Write down
of fuel.
if anybody I already told you. Amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of
1 kg fuel.
1 kg fuel. See, here we are fixing the quantity also. Then only we will get to know comparison. Which one is producing more and which one is producing less. Okay? Calorific value. See the table and tell which one is giving, which one is having more calorific value.
Sir,
Biogas. Sir, biogas. Biogas, sir.
What is the value of biogas?
35,000 to
40,000
40,000.
to 40,000 calories.
Sir, hydrogen. Sir, hydrogen, sir.
Very good. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
C for the hydrogen.
1,50,000, sir.
1,50,000. That is the reason we are using hydrogen as rocket fuel.
Sir,
Yeah.
hydrogen also gas mass. How to feel in fuel, sir?
We can use it with special equipment and special methods. That's why that is very costly. That's why we are not using it in normal purposes. We are using it only rocket purpose. Huh? CNG, compressed natural gas. Yeah, it is also used in vehicles. CNG.
Hydrogen is dangerous, sir.
Yeah, hydrogen is not dangerous, but we need special equipment to use that. And that is very costly also. That's why we are just using it in limited, limited things like rockets. Huh? Kilojoules. Joules. Joules. Means there in bold letters. Kilojoules per kg. Okay, how much we'll get by burning 1 kg of toothpaste?
17,000.
17,000 to 22,000. How much it is more than cow dung? It is almost 3 times, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So the calorific value in cow dung is very less, and it can be burned very easily also, cow dung. And how about coal? Pedakul. How about coal?
25,000 to 33,000, sir.
Yeah, that's what I told you here. Coal will give
So much.
more calories on burning. How about petrol?
45,000, sir.
Petrol, kerosene and diesel. These three are same because these three are extracted from petroleum itself. Don't get confused. Okay, and CNG, compressed natural gas, 50,000, and LPG,
55,000.
55,000. Biogas,
35,000 to 40,000.
35 to 40,000, which is less than these petroleum and all. Okay? And how about hydrogen? 150,000. This is with most highest calorific value. That's why it is only managed by some special equipment, special machinery. Okay? Okay, let's go back into our topic. Okay, what is ignition temperature? Ignition temperature. Yesterday itself, not yesterday, day before yesterday we discussed this. Ignition temperature, it is very important topic. Okay. Can anybody say what is ignition temperature? Come on, stand up. Stand up, you're raising your hand. Stand up. Okay, then stand up. Ask your friend what is ignition temperature. Sujit, stand up and say.
If the ignition temperature means the ignition temperature will increases, it will take the materials will take time to burn. If the ignition temperature decreases, it will instantly burn.
Okay? What is the effect? He is saying the effect of ignition temperature on burning a material. But ask him what is ignition temperature exactly.
The minimum
Stand up,
temperature.
stand up. The minimum temperature, ignition temperature, it varies with material to material. First I tell you what is ignition temperature. Ignition temperature is the minimum temperature
To require fabric.
required for an object to catch fire. Okay? Stand up, Sharon. What is ignition temperature? Ignition temperature is the minimum temperature for an object to catch fire. Repeat after me. Say now loudly. Is minimum or maximum? Minimum temperature required for an object To catch fire. Very good. Sit down, Sharan. Is it clear? Okay, I will tell you an example to understand ignition temperature. For paper, ignition temperature is some.
The temperature
For paper, it is something like 50. Okay? For wood, roughly it is 500. And for wet paper, on making a paper wet, it is becoming 100 yearly. Is it clear? So what is ignition temperature now?
Sir, ignition temperature is a temperature. It's a minimum temperature which requires to object to burn.
Yeah, exactly. So here, okay, which will burn easily among these?
Paper.
Paper.
Paper, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Clear? Which will burn easily?
Paper.
Paper. Then
Wood.
Wet cloth.
Wet paper.
Chi wet
I
paper.
already did this. Okay.
Wet paper, sir.
Okay, leave this. Wet paper. I will tell you later. Then
Wood, sir.
wood will burn, right? Okay. Wood will take more time, more temperature. Okay. Now just see only these two. I already did this experiment in your
Yes,
class.
sir. Yes, sir.
What happened in that?
Sir, wet paper take time to burn, sir.
Wet paper takes
Time
more
to burn.
Yes, sir.
because
It
the
is
water added. The
Yes,
water
sir.
added to it is increasing the ignition temperature.
ignition
of it.
temperature.
It is slowing down the process, right? So ignition temperature is the temperature we are giving to burn it. That is the reason we are not directly putting matchstick to the wood piece. We will use paper or some dry grass.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Any other doubts? Okay, fine. Let's quickly recall. What is calorific value? Can anybody say definition of calorific value?
Amount of heat energy is produced.
Stand up. Amount of heat energy produced
The combustion of 1 kg fuel.
on combustion of 1 kg fuel. Okay? Which one is having more ignition temperature? Amount?
Hydrogen.
No, not ignition temperature. Calorific value.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. How much?
150,000.
1,50,000. Fine. Okay. Can you suggest me any way to stop fire?
By
pouring water.
By pouring water.
By pouring sand, water, and
Wet
cloth.
fire extinguisher. So what is happening here?
Sir, to stop the air, sir.
We are cutting oxygen supply to it.
Yes.
Correct, to stop fire is by turning petrol.
No, sit down. Okay, tomorrow you will have an exam. So for that, you should study metals and non-metals. Okay, thank you.